Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to build and empower AI agents using Google's Agent Development Kit or ADK. This is part of Google's new Code Lab series, and I have completed both parts, building AI agent with ADK, the foundation, and building AI agents with ADK, empowering with tools. So by the end of this video, you will see how I built a personal assistant agent from scratch and then turned it into a smart multi-tool agent that can check currency exchange rates, fetch real-time weather info, and even pull cultural data from Wikipedia. So first, we'll start with the foundation. Here is the prerequisites of this, what you will learn and what you will need. Now, this is the introduction of GenAI and all that, LLM. And first, we start with setting up our Google Cloud environment. We'll create a new project, then we'll launch the Cloud Shell, and you can also see the project ID as well. Then we will create a virtual environment using this, and then we'll install Google ADK using UV package, and then we will create a personal assistant using ADK create, and then it will ask us which model to use. So we will use Gemini 2.5 Flash model and then Vertex AI, and then this it will verify the Google Cloud product project ID and Google Cloud region, and then it will create this files as well. After this, you will be able to see all the folders in the code editor, and then we'll run our agent using ADK and personal assistant, and you will be able to see the CLI like user. But I can show you. Oh, this is the foundation model. So let's say I did this. Uh, it will take a few minutes to start the server. Yeah, it's up and running. Now I can ask anything. Let's say I'll ask hello, um what can you do for me, and enter, and it will give us answer like this. As it is terminal, so you will be able to see it in markdown. And then if there is any troubleshooting, we can use this as well for troubleshooting. uh, then using ADK web, we can start our web server. So I'll just start that. I'll exit from this. Okay, then ADK web. Okay, now server is up and running. It's running on 8000 port. And now again, you can ask anything. Again, you can ask this, like, what can you do for me? Well, this is the web UI, web interface of this. Let's say, hello, what can you do for me? It will give us nice answer without any markdown. Then, so this was it for the foundation thing. And then we'll start with empowering with tools, as the foundation was the prerequisite in this one. So we completed that. Now it has some introduction in this, and this will offer us three categories: function tools. So function tools are the custom tools um, which you can predefine, in which you can predefine functions and agents. Then built-in tools, it will use Google search in this, and third-party tools like Wikipedia. and it will give us using LangChain. uh, so let's start with first tool, which is the custom tool. For that, we have to make these files. So in personal assistant, we have to make custom functions.py. This is the custom function.py, and I can show you the source code as well. Yeah, this is our source code. This is a custom function. It will fetch the currency, and then we have agent file as well. So in agent, we'll use Gemini 2.5 Flash model, and we have different tools here: function tool, agent tool, LangChain tool. Um, so now we can, using the function tool, we can get the weather forecast or the currency. Okay, first let's do this thing, the currency. So first, if we ask what is the exchange rate from Singapore dollars to Japanese yen, then it will generate us the response, but it will not be real time. So to make it real time and to make it accurate, we are using a Python function to retrieve exchange rates via REST API, and it will integrate it as a function tool for the agent. So now we can ask what is the exchange rate from USD to, let's say, INR, and it will generate, oh sorry, not USA, what, it should be USD, not USA. USD, right? And it will generate us USD to INR exchange rate in real time. Then we have Google search tool. I've integrated Google search tool in our source code. You can see this is the Google search tool, and for this we have this. It will use the 2.5 model of Gemini. This is the description it will generate, and we have used it here in this function. We are calling it. Okay, so now if we ask what is the first, if we ask what is the weather forecast, then it will not give us the forecast. But after integrating Google Search tool, it will give us what is the weather forecast. So let me show it to you. What is the weather forecast in, let's say, California, US? You can put on, yes. We are using Google Search tool to getting the weather forecast, so it will generate us the weather forecast of California, USA. Then we will integrate our last tool, which is Wikipedia tool using LangChain, and this is the source code for that third party tool. We are using Wikipedia, and for that we are using LangChain, right? So after integrating this, it will use Wikipedia to generate the history. Let's say I'm asking what is the history of India. So it will analyze Wikipedia, and then based on that, it will give me the answer. And then lastly, after using this, we can see what tools it is using in here, events. So these are all the context of whatever we were calling, and then it will also give us whatever the tool it used. So it used Google Search Agent in this one. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.